Hello, here is our Alfa Kit, the first kit from the MITz Kit series. The Alfa Kit comes with a user guide. A user guide can be used for a student to follow the instructions on how to conduct the experiments, and of course it comes with worksheets are used by students to write down or to note down the observations they encounter in the experiments, and of course to draw some scientific conclusions. So more than these papers, we have the real things. Yes, we have this special thing, MITz. We call it MITz. We have designed it special for holding scientific components that mostly have been found in the textbook in form of diagrams. A student will be using all of these components to conduct different experiments based on the user guide and the real textbook or syllabus-based text. So let's go with a simple circuit. From the user guide, we have to follow this diagram, and then we are using these two components to conduct the experiment. The source MITz is here. Here is where you plug your battery, and then this will be as a switch. Here is the LED 1 and the R1 as it looks in the user guide. The step 2 is to connect them. So you just plug the connectors inside the female jacks, and then let's say here we're going to very simple, like this one. That's how it looks like in the diagrams. Okay, up to now you're good. So what's the first thing? Resistor. Here is a resistor, and use it to conduct the experiment in the environment. The LED. LED is a bulb. We are using it, and this resistor is used to protect this one. So of course, as it has to be from the user guide. And then now let's plug a battery. Here is the battery. Okay, now we have to make sure we have put it well. Like here is how you connect the battery, and this is how it should look like at the end and how you can see it, and then this is how the results should be at the end. So let's switch on here. Yeah, there we go. That's a very simple circuit students should exercise during the class and not wait until the examination. Worksheets are used for students to record the observations. Like this is a simple circuit we've been doing. So the first thing student is asked is to redraw the circuit so that he can exercise the designing skills, and then he will or she will be asked to change the resistors. Like here is another resistor to change the brightness of the LED. Yes, that's how we are giving a student a chance to exercise the real practicals at home or even on the school desk. Thanks very much.